Everyone. In this video, I will show you how to freeze rows in Google Sheets in mobile. So let's begin. First, open your Google Sheet in mobile and see this sheet on. See this. Simply click Sheet on drop down menu. Scroll down on your screen and now see this freeze rows, freeze columns. Example, freeze rows, use rows 1, 2, 3, okay, and use freeze column 1, 2, example use freeze column 1, then backspace. And now see this result. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.